friends, it's me. Don't mind me, friends. I'm just so excited to be here another day to spend it with y'all. So, without further ado, we are going to jump right into it. Hip hip, hooray for Fun Friday. All right, today's lesson is, what's a cool kid? Well, a cool kid to me is anyone who has been thrown away yet can still be used. If you've ever been thrown under the bus by a friend, if you've ever been attacked by a dog, if you've ever been overlooked, talked about, pushed to the side, if you have a disability that has been stigmatized by society, if you are underrepresented in the media and what you see today on TV, that to me, that is a cool kid. Now, cool kids, we look different, we act different, just all across the board. Like, we are so diverse. Some of us sing, some of us read, some of us paint, some of us can't. I'm sorry guys, Teacher Jaz is really hungry. Okay, so a cool kid is all of the things I just listed plus some. Cool kids are so diverse. We are universal. Like, no two cool kids are alike. Excuse me, I'm spitting out apple. And I'm talking with my mouth. It's kind of rude. Sorry. Ugh, manners. Don't be like me. Be better than me. Do not chew with your mouth open. Do not chew with your mouth open. And do not talk with your mouth full of food. I'm Teacher Jaz, and I approve this message.